In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join auto-join meetings on Otter.ai in 2025 with this easy step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in and make sure you can maximize your productivity using Otter's capabilities. First things first, you're going to want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Otter.ai website. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice the login option right at the top right corner of the screen. Don't worry if you're not quick to spot it. It's usually in the same place whenever you visit the site. Now, once you've located the login button, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to an area where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, filling in your login details will be the next step to get you into the main interface of Otter.ai. Upon logging in successfully, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This might be your photo or a generic icon depending on your account settings, but it's pretty straightforward to find. Once you see it, give it a click. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu where you should look for the account settings option. This is where we'll be making the necessary adjustments to set up automatic meeting participation. So go ahead and click on account settings. In the account settings section, you'll want to find the meetings tab. This might require a little bit of scrolling or exploration, but it should be there as part of the main menu headings. Select this tab to access meeting-specific options. Once in the Meetings tab, you'll see a section dedicated to Default Auto Join Settings. This is where the magic happens. What you're going to do here is ensure that Otter is set up to join meetings with a video link automatically. In this part, you'll want to look for the option that says Meetings with a video link. By selecting this, you are ensuring that Otter is configured to auto-join any meetings that contain valid links from platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. This step is crucial for the seamless integration of Otter into your virtual meeting routine. Remember, by setting Otter to join meetings automatically with valid links, you'll have Otter as your handy note-taking assistant right from the start, noting important details without you having to lift a finger during the meeting. And there you have it, folks. You've now set Otter.ai to automatically join your virtual meetings, saving you time and ensuring you won't miss out on key details. Feel free to explore other features within Otter to further enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.